Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to get loan from your Easypaisa. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, simply tap open your Easypaisa app, and once you open it, you need to get logged in into your account. So simply tap on login, and now you need to type in your mobile phone number. So after doing this, you will get logged in into your account, and all you need to do now is simply tap on EasyPaisa Loan. So once you tap on the EasyPaisa Loan section, you will be redirected to this kind of interface. So now once the loading is done, you will be redirected to here where you need to fill in some of the questions that has been asked. So once you have filled in, you will be redirected to this page where you need to type in your Easypaisa loan amount. So now once everything is done, you need to tap on get EasyCash, and after you have tapped on it as well, you will be successful in getting your EasyCash as a loan from Easypaisa app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.